Ever felt that friction from mismatched expectations? Yeah, let's talk about the expectation trap.
So, we always hear that expectations ruin relationships, but what if that's not true at all?
See, it turns out expectations themselves aren't the problem. It's the unspoken ones that get you.
Think about it. They're kind of like the invisible rules of the game for every relationship we have. The real issue starts when we just assume the other person knows our rules. Big mistake.
And that creates what we call the gap, the space between your world and theirs.
On your side, you have a specific goal, but on their side, a totally different interpretation.
And guess what lives in that empty space between you? Yep, disappointment.
You know, most fights aren't about what happened. They're about what was supposed to happen.
Okay, here's a classic workplace example of how this whole thing goes completely wrong.
And remember, there's no villain here. It's just a simple but frustrating misalignment.
Strong relationships aren't built on mind reading. Nope, they're built on clarity.
And when you get clear, you reduce confusion, prevent resentment, and actually build trust.
The fix is actually pretty simple. All you have to do is make the invisible visible. Just look at the difference here. You get to trade frustration for trust. Pretty great deal.
It makes sense, right? People can't hit a target that they can't even see.
This is the key takeaway. It's not the expectation, it's the silence around it that breaks things.
So let me leave you with this. What's one invisible rule you can make visible today?